case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1818, a case known as McConico versus Singleton stirred waters in the Constitutional Court of South Carolina, challenging the very essence of hunting privileges on unenclosed land and the authority of trespass law over them. At the center of the dispute sat a landowner, referred to as the plaintiff, and a deer hunter, the defendant, locked in a legal tug-of-war over the hunting rights on a large portion of unharvested terrain owned by the plaintiff. For years, hunting was seen as a right rather than a privilege, allowing anyone with a rifle to hunt on unenclosed lands, regardless of the owner's consent. This tradition, however, was disrupted when the plaintiff tried to remove the defendant from his land. The plaintiff's attempt to bar the hunter proved unsuccessful, as a previous ruling emphasized the historical significance of hunting and its instrumental role in militia training. The court considered these lands and their wild inhabitants as communal resources and upheld the right of any hunter to access and hunt in such areas. Defying the plaintiff's explicit prohibition, the defendant ventured into the land and continued his deer hunting pursuits. This act of rebellion led to a lawsuit for trespassing. Yet, the legal tables turned in this high-stakes game of right and privilege when the court upheld the hunter's rights. The climax of McConico versus Singleton saw a decisive 4-1 ruling led by Mr. Justice Johnson. The court pronounced that the plaintiff's disagreement with hunting on his ground did not supersede the broadly granted legal right that allowed hunting on unenclosed properties. It dismissed any associated claims of irregularities in the verdict. The right to hunt, the court underscored, stemmed from the law itself, and it remained invincible against an owner's dissent. The hunter's right to hunt had won the day. Trespassing laws, as the ruling stressed, stood powerless to ban a hunter from entering open, undeveloped lands for hunting. As these lands and beasts were common resources, the hunting rights remained unscathed. The landowner's wish, after all, could not override the law. The case, in essence, set a historic precedent, highlighting the indomitable authority of law over individual wishes in protecting common resources.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.